Good evening from Grandfather Farm. It's about 4:40 on January 19th, 2025. And Lisa just finished milking Bella. Bella finished her grain, so we're heading back to the pen. And it's about 35 degrees out here. The lawn and the pasture grass looks a lot better since it's been mowed. So it's been a productive day. Hopefully the weather stays that way, or this way, during the week. Get some more stuff done. Yeah, I can't wait for spring. Well, they got something smoking in there. I don't know if this is something she's carrying or this is dinner. Smells good though.